Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to fix challenge required on Instagram. So let's have a look now. Instagram wants to make sure its users are humans instead of bots. If you see this error, Instagram may be flagging your account for suspicious activity or preventing logins from unknown device. At first, check if there is an update available. If you are using an older version of the apps, then download it to the newer version. Getting the challenge required error, Instagram may have an issue with your IP address. Try logging in from another address, such as using your mobile data plan instead of Wi-Fi. If that's not possible, try connecting through a proxy server or VPN to get around the error. Sometimes the challenge required error blocks your IP address from accessing Instagram for a day or two. To try to solve this, uninstall the app from your phone. Wait for 24 to 48 hours. Then reinstall the app and try again. The last solution is to reach out to Instagram for help. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zoft. Zoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zoft today. For more details, check the description box.